Having talked about the two major types of numbers in the previous video, the natural number, which is a zero plus the whole number, the positive whole numbers, and integers, which comprise zero, negative whole numbers, and positive whole numbers. In this video, we're going to talk about the operations that can be performed on those numbers. So now there are four basic operations, and five we want to include modulus. So, and we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operation. So now we are going to talk about addition and subtraction. So starting from addition, we say that addition of two numbers gives rise to the sum. So when you talk about addition of two numbers, if you add two or more numbers, it will give you sum. If you add the total addition of any amount of number you added up will give you the sum of that number. So here we have 4 plus 3, and it gave us what? 7. 8 plus 6 plus 8, and it gave us what? 14. So the sum, the addition of two numbers, the addition of two operands, two or more operands, will give us what? The sum as the answer. So 4 and 3 will give us 7. So when you come to then also the addition of the addition of numbers also moves the value to the right side of the operands. It moves the sum to the right side of the operands in number line. For example, let's have example with 4 plus 3. So here we have a line. Sorry for my line drawing. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 4 plus 3, which is equals to what? 7. So now we have what? 4 here, 3 and 4. So we have 4 plus 3. As you can see, it moved it what? To the right, towards the right. The answer becomes, the sum becomes what? 7. So it moved it towards the right in a number line. So in summation of every number, it will always move it to the right. It will always turn to the right of the sums, the total sum you are summing it. So now moving to what? Let's move to the subtraction. So let's move to the subtraction. So subtraction of two or more numbers gives you what? The difference. So the subtraction of two or more numbers give you the difference of the numbers. So and also in the subtraction of two or more numbers, it moves the value towards the left of the highest number in the operation. It moves it towards the left of the highest number in the operation. So not actually the highest number, but actually the number in the left hand side of the operation. It moves it to the left hand side, it moves it to the number. Let me come again. It moves it to the left hand side of the number in the left hand of the operation. So I can let me illustrate. So when you have something like this, let me clean this up. Sorry, I clean this up. now we go. So when you have something like 4 minus 3 to give us the difference of what? 1. If you draw it in a number line, just like we did for the sum, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you subtract the 2, it gives you the difference of 1, which is what? 4. Subtraction by this, we move it to what? 1. 4, 3, we give you what? 1. I don't know if you get me. So it moved it to the left hand side of the 4 here. So in the next video we are going to handle addition. We are going to handle multiplication and division. Thank you.